Hello. Welcome to the main channel. Oh, I got a package! I haven't recorded one in so long, I'm so sorry, but please forgive me. Let's just watch this video, it'll be amazing, and I'll start posting it more often. Okay, let's unbox it. So it says my name, it's for me. It's got some scissors. I'm unboxing time. I haven't ordered a phone in a while, okay? And it's the last model phone that I need to complete my own personal collections. Yes, it works, it's it. It's a slidey phone! Look at it, it goes, well, whee! This is my favourite type of phone. For one reason, and one reason only. It's so cool. Okay, let's see this. Let's try and open up the back. So now we've gone from happy, fun, excited person to a let's investigate the problem. Says a lot about my personality, doesn't it? Comes with a battery! It's got a battery! It's got a bat! And it's not inflated! Holy mother of mackerel! Slide it back in. If it turns on, that's the other thing. So let's have a look at the connection needed. No, that's 9%. There we are. Why did you charge it? Oh, is this one of them phones that... Let's try turning it on. Let's try cracking some things open. It's not there. Okay, it's got a strange charger. Yeah, it's got a really odd charger, but doesn't have any power. Okay, flickered. Sign of life. Okay, so it works. I could sit here and just feel with it. It's just... See, I don't understand fidgets, yeah? This is my fidget. This is like a fidget cube thing for me. You take a phone call like that? Oh, it stinks like dog food. I'm not being funny, it stinks like dog food. Okay, buttons on the front. And not the back front either. The front. It's okay. It's okay. The centre one's a bit mushy, but, you know. These buttons are just lovely in every way. Okay. Shall I try taking this apart? Pull out cameras before they were cool. Okay, let's try taking this apart. I haven't taken out a phone in about a month. I just completely haven't had the time because I've been focusing on other channels. So this is going to be a little teardown for you guys. Holy mackerel, I'm back in the swing, boys. I'm back. You missed me. Did you miss me? No, you did. Too big. But one of these will do. it's time to get out this, isn't it? Yeah, I can't tear this down. One of the screws has got lodged in, so I have to put that together. Okay, so this phone's actually quite cool. I'll give it that. I like the slidey phones. I've also now started up a little Samsung collection that I want to expand upon, because I quite like these old Samsung phones. It really does say a lot about the brand and their beginnings. But what my idea is, I get some new Samsungs and some really old like Samsungs, and like do a tier list of Samsung or something like that for my second channel. Just an idea. Go subscribe to all my channels. They're linked somewhere below. But just look at that. I've got another two Samsung phones. So this is the other type of phone. I thought this was a slidey phone, like this. But you can see how different they are. And the massive thing with this one is this one's in good condition, and I've seen this one working. Haven't seen any other phone work. It's got a mirror. You can see yourself. Right, set up to 2021 edition. Hello, say hello to yourself. Hi. Quite like it actually. It's a good phone. I spent £4.68 free shipping because I had a PayPal voucher. 100% worth my money and time. Reception. Wish I had the charger. I don't, sadly. Because I think all Samsungs have got a charger. If I get one more Samsung, I will buy a charger. You can test them every phone. But it's just, look, it just. If you just want to type one number, you can go. If you want to type, you can go. If you're typing OK, you can go just down like that and go. Some people at school think I'm right weird for having all these, but I think it's so cool. And this plastic back's a little bit bendy and malleable. Oh, we didn't actually look at the battery, did we? Sorry guys. Because I'm doing a job, I know why I'm being a bit mental today. I've just gone off the back of recording 6 videos, so my 7th today. It's 700 milliamps. Made in Korea. Got Bluetooth on it. It's an SGH-E900. So this video is going to be going up. I think by the time this is up, it's a Sunday. I'm recording this on a Saturday when it arrived, and it arrived as well 4 days early. So yeah, I like Samsung phones, the old ones. So if anyone knows anyone that has Samsung phones that they're willing to give away for free, that makes sound like a choosing beggar. But if you don't, I don't care. But if you do, that's fantastic. Can you please get me in touch with them? I'm looking for any old phone, older than any phone, any piece of old technology, or any piece of technology that is in the fridge. I will happily sit and review. Put me in touch if you got any. But yeah, on that note, hope you enjoyed. This has been the Samsung E900. This is the main channel. See you in a bit. Peace.